Welcome to the time for a meal. Symphony of flavor in every bite. Perfect for a quick and satisfying eating pleasure. Capers on a sandwich, egg wrapped in bacon, and cheese balls. Check out my colorful recipes for you. Cut out circles from bread. Cut the red onion into slices. Fry serrano ham into small triangles. Fold the rosette salami into a square and place it on the bread. Make a rosette of cream cheese. Put the caper through it. Insert 2 ham triangles. Add 2 red onion slices. Decorate with parsley. If you like my recipe, remember to leave a like and subscribe. Preheat the pan. Wrap each egg in bacon strips. Be sure to crimp the eggs of the strips so that the bacon wraps the eggs well. Place the wrapped eggs in a frying pan and fry it on all sides. Cut the eggs in half. Place the lettuce leaf on the bottom. Decorate with a mayonnaise and red pepper. In a bowl, put cheese, goat cheese, and processed cheese, season with salt and pepper, and mix. Ground red pepper. Take a teaspoon of cheese and form balls about 2 cm in size. Coat in paprika. Make indentation with the string. Put a piece of breadstick and parsley leaf on the center. Bon appetit! Did you like it? Subscribe to be up to date. See you next time!